Don't you know if it's not for this slap, you will have turned to this Agbero on the streets that have no home training?
Hey, hello. What? Waiting I hear now. Kill more boys, and they call me to make I greet. Hello.
When you say Tinubu is not working, he's not in your area. You have to change your area of residence so that the thing can work for you. Where you are living might not be working. Maybe where you are living, wizkid is working. But where we are living, Tinubu is working. Is Tinubu not working? Is Tinubu not working? Is Tinubu not working? Soludo is working. Is Tinubu not working? It's working. I'm enjoying my seaman. Is Tinubu not working? So the government is a good government. Even though the man is not around, we're appealing him. If he's around, we're appealing him. When are we not going to appeal him? And so you see, the country is sweet to me. $2,000 for only me tonight. I'm happy. I'm happy. Thank you so much to the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Why are you laughing? What happened? Why are you laughing? Eh? What's happening?
So this economy, you are enjoying this economy. Come now, give him money, come. Come. Money and Odogu bitters. Come. You deserve it. You deserve it. Please, a round of applause for this guy. Please. Come, let me tell you something. So, I'm very angry. I'm very, very pissed.
Papa, I've told you now. Papa, we talked about this. You are slapping people in public.
So,
Hey,
come, stand up. Let me talk to you. Come.
Papa,
Come.
Papa, wait. You know, we had a conversation about this thing. You know, these are people that went to school. You can't be doing this in their fronts, Papa. They will arrest you.
I can't hear you. Come close to me.
Papa, no, I can't do that now. I can't.
Just come. Don't you know if it's not for this slap, you will have turned to this Agbero on the streets that have no home training. All those ones that before you know they will be trying to pickpocket you. You want to turn to an Agbero?
Hey, hello. What? Waiting I hear now. Kill more boys, and they call me to make I greet. Hello. Any question every day? Wait till you talk now.
No touch me again.
Wait till you talk now. Talk am again. What do you mean by Agbero?
I say Agbero when they no wait. Move from here. I don't like as you did.
No, now talking. I'm moving. Boy, if you don't say you get my talk, Agbero, no waiting.
Everybody touch your pocket. Make sure all your properties are intact, please. I say Agbero, they are good for nothing. I wasn't referring to you.
Agbero good for nothing.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I know where you go now. Wait till you do this one.
You don't hide. You drink Odogu bitters.
You drink? Hello.
I beg. I know say we dey act drama, but maybe.
Oh God, wake up, Bujari. So we dey talk about economy, Abi.
Yes.
It does say economy good.
This economy with price of tomato dey show us pepper.
No problem. Now go. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you, sir? How was your day? This economy good, yes or no?
Bad.
You can see how he's thinking.
You said you hear him, Abi?
Yes.
I said the way this economy they go. By January next year, if I enter aeroplane for business class, now if you see the nomilaye, they lap wizkid inside. I they tell you the way this economy they go. Feel like be here already. Sheyi Fodi now, well done.
Oh,
well done, sir.
That's Sheyi Fodi.
Yes, now.
I never ever slap rich man before.
You want try am? You know say na Abuja you dey.
I know.
Uh-huh.
The problem not be the slap. Now I have to leave after the slap.
Exactly.
Yes.
Bros, well done. No? Sir, the way you dey smile, be like say economy is good for your side. Economy good, bad, yes or no? Wait happen.
He's shy.
And economy, as I say, an economy bad. Before, they wear 5 boxers per week.
Yes.
But now, only 1 boxer they wear. Bros, I lie. Talking now. Bros, now because of you, I come here. Oh.
Don't be shy.
Me, I know they fear anybody. Oh. I know they fear anybody. Oh. I know the politicians, they dey here. I know they fear anybody. Oh.
Shaggy, come. You are going far from me.
I like as you come back because I dey fear anybody. Now, good job with it.
So, this thing where they tell them now, what do you want them to take out from it?
So, thank you very much for that question. I could thank you for our panel of judges.
Yes.
So, what I want them to take out from it now, is the takeaway where they give them. So, take away, you know, my take out. I be say, say, just love you.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to know if what will they complain about if everybody they feel them. You understand? Because I want after this show, I want you people to take something home. Yes.
So they can jot it down.
Yes, they can jot it down.
Good. What else, sir?
So I need to do rally.
Okay.
Good day, everyone. I've not come here to say much, tentatively. But I want you to get a jotter and a pen so that you can jot things down.
In better slap.
Sorry. I was just trying
to go.
Yes.
I was just starting.
Okay, sorry.
The economy of this country is always borders around the fact that not just Abuja know me, even Eko know me.
Yes, I'm getting it.
So because of the economy of the country, even the state, Anambra, has now become a conversation between 2 underwears. One is saying, I am pants. The other one is saying, I am bra.
Come close.
Even because of the economy, Ibadan has now become on his own, or on your own. So that's why you have Oyo Ibadan, because it has been abandoned. I won't say more than that.
It's Mr. Nest on this one. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.